What else can I say? It's prime time right now. I'm about 3 miles from Malibu Pier. The weather is super clean. I left the marina around 9 a.m. and now is around 11:45. Look at this. Malibu Mountains and the pier is right there. Right on that point is Paradise Cove, another amazing place for anchorage. If I was planning to stay around, I would go to that area because the wind was great. I was able to get there, but it would take a few more hours and I would anchor and stay there for the night. Today we're gonna have very strong wind in the afternoon, so I'm planning to go to Malibu Pier just to sail in my record time. Before I was sailing, always was taking me 4 hours to get there. Today in this calm weather, it's taking me 3 hours and a half, which is great, and relax. Yeah, here we go. One more day of learning about the local sailing conditions in this time of the day. I think that's great for if I have a few people that want to go paddleboard and surfing in Malibu Pier and come back. I think that's a perfect trip to spend the whole day cruising and sailing. Yeah, I think it's fantastic. Hopefully some people will enjoy with me. All right.